Thank you so much. My mind is not a question, and I'll keep it short. It's just a challenge. So the comments that have been made are saying, and therefore did not. The challenge is to read the book. Professor Mahmoud Mamdani, in his latest book, Slow Poison, about the making of the Ugandan state, he says, when he was at the University of Dar es Salaam, he was in no less than 10 reading groups. That is outside of normal university business of going to teach. Reading with peers, reading with students. And one of the people who was in one of his reading groups became the Ugandan president who's been in power now for 40 years. So what I'm saying is that the invitation is to read this text. How can a university that has a Steve Biko building have an SRC member who has not read Biko's book? How can any student who lives at Ellen Kuzwayo residence not have read Ellen Kuzwayo's book? So, and the invitation for us is to the intellectual. How do you stand as an African at this time? And how we do that is to read this text. And we are not saying you must agree. You don't have to agree. In fact, you must read that book that you disagree with, so that we ask why you disagree with it. And so I see this achievement as that invitation that we must read this text and many others